Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to rotate a picture on Microsoft Word. So first, I will create a Microsoft Word document in front of you. After creating, open the document, copy the image that you want to rotate and paste it in your Word document. Then select the image you want to rotate. You will see a circular icon on the top. Just move your cursor here, select and rotate according to your needs. This one is first method. Next one method is just select image and go to picture format. This one, picture format tab. After going to picture format tab, this all will activate on your PC. Here under arrange group, click on rotate objects button. Here you will see some predefined options such as rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and even there are more options. Click on this one, more rotation options, and you can adjust here according to your needs. Here different types of options are there: position, text wrapping, and even size. You can change the size also. After making the changes, click on this one OK button, and like this you can rotate an image on your Word document. If you want to know more about this one, I will provide a link on this video description. From there, you can follow the link and learn more. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.